In front of me is an iPhone 11 Pro Max, and today I will show you how to put the device into the DFU mode. So before we get started, there's a couple things we'll need. Number one is iTunes on the computer that you will be using. So for me, it's Windows. Now, if you're using a Mac-based or Apple-based computer, you don't really need to download it. It's already on there. And the second thing we'll need is the cable. So plug it into the computer that you will be using for this process, and from there just plug it into the device itself, and we can jump straight to the process. So as you can see on the screen, there is a pop-up. I'm just going to close this. So let's just trust this computer, and from here we'll basically be holding the specific buttons in specific periods of time. So you want to begin by pressing volume up, then volume down, and then holding power key for 10 seconds. After 10 seconds, you will add volume down for 5 seconds. And after 5 seconds, you release power key and keep holding volume down. So it's probably might be a little bit confusing while I'm saying it, but I guess once you see it, it will be a little bit more clear. So just pay attention to what I'm pressing. So just gonna hold it so you can see every button clearly, and so volume up, volume down, hold power, and 10 seconds. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now you just want to keep holding volume down for the rest of the time, and you won't see really any change on the display. Only on the computer you will see a pop-up like this, and iTunes will tell you that the device is in recovery mode, which is completely inaccurate. And yeah, iTunes is just so special that it cannot define if the device is in DFU mode or recovery mode. And the only thing that you can define it by is the fact that, well, the screen is black and iTunes is seeing it. And number two, in DFU mode, you don't have the option to update, as you can see right here. So yeah, that is basically how you would put the device into the DFU mode. Now, you might as well just unplug it. It doesn't really matter anymore. And if you want to leave this mode, all you need to do is just hold power key and a volume down. So like so. So that's power and volume down, and you should see the Apple logo in a moment. There it is, and you can let go. And now the device will just boot back up into the normal iOS. And there it is. So that is how you boot in and out of the DFU mode. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.